Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to replace a document in your course shell. This is specifically going to focus on how to replace your syllabus and your homework schedule, since they're now Word documents instead of editable HTML pages within the course. So hopefully you have your stuff saved in a folder somewhere. Here I'm going to use it in my HighFlex class. So I have my homework schedule and I have my syllabus. So that's where I'm going to be able to draw that information. And I've already made my edits, my updates, and I'm ready to go ahead and put them in my shell. Well, a lot of times people will go right into content and they'll just go ahead and try to make the changes right here in the area and just say change the document or change the file. But if you do that and you do it from your home computer or your file explorer, what happens is you don't really have access to that file anywhere else should you want to do something with it. You can't share it anywhere else. You can't post it anywhere else because it only is going to live on that particular link. So what you really want to do is you want to go into course administration. And I know it's extra steps, but then you know it's usable and it's not a broken link and you'll have the most current document everywhere that you're trying to do something. Go to Manage Files. And the way that we have the Manage Files set up is we have it set up as folders. Scroll down to where we have Syllabus and Handouts. So go ahead into Syllabus and Handouts. And this is some of my old stuff that I have in there from the fall. So I want to replace it. So what I want to do is choose Upload, and under Upload, I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose my homework schedule. And if I use the Control button on my keyboard, I can choose one other file, so I don't have to do this twice. So then I hit here and I hit the syllabus. So what I did was I clicked on the first one, put down the Control button, and then clicked on the second one, and I have these two files now. I hit Open. It's now loading both of those files, and once they're done, I hit Save, and now the new files will be in my Manage Files area in my Syllabus and Schedule, Syllabus and Handouts folder. Now, if you'll notice, when you look at the ones that say FA22, oops, they'll be here at the top. There's no little chain to show that it's linked anywhere. Well, that's because they're just in there. The old stuff in the content is still linked to the FA21 documents. So what do? Now you go to Content and change files. So we are on our syllabus and schedule and textbook information. And for the SLS course syllabus, I want to replace it with my FA22 file. So I hit Change File, choose Existing, Course Offering, and then I come down here to Syllabus and Handouts, and I go to my FA22 syllabus. Whoops, sorry about that. So let's see, Syllabus FA22, here we go. HighFlex Syllabus FA22, and update. So that has the new one on there. I come back to that other home page, to the homework schedule, and I do the exact same thing. Go to Change File, choose Existing, Course Offering. I go to Syllabus and Handouts. I do the homework schedule now for FA22 and update. So now when I go to those pages, I have the most current document that is for the FA22. It'll take a second to load. So there's all my information there. Life is good. And when I go to the course schedule, it's the same thing. It'll have the most current information on there. Notice the dates and all. But there's one last step you want to do is go to Course Admin. You want to go back to Manage Files, and you want to delete those old files because you don't want them to get mixed up. So just come right back in here, Syllabus and Handouts, and you want to make sure you're deleting the correct ones. They shouldn't have a link next to them anymore. So there's the homework schedule for FA21, and there is the syllabus for FA21. Scroll up here to the top, hit delete, yes. And now, should you want to make a link anywhere else, maybe in your announcements or send it to a student via class list or something like that, you can just attach it as a course file. Whereas if you would have just made the change here in content, then you would have to direct the student to come to this link to get to the document. Hopefully this is helpful, and you'll be able to update your information.